Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. As you all know, test centers are planning to open on June 14, and that's why I decided to make a quick video to let you know what you need to know before the road test. But before we start it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So a couple things I want to talk about before your road test. First of all, if you're using your car, you need to make sure that all the lights are working properly. That include signal lights, braking lights. Make sure that the car doesn't have any broken windshield. Let's say there is a rock, something the examiners will not go for the road test. Another thing that I want to cover, when you're registering yourself and you waiting in the car, make sure that your mask is covering your face. If examiner approaching the car and you are not having a mask, the examiner can turn you down and just walk away. So couple most important things that you need to know. Also, make sure that the plate sticker, there is a plate and there is a sticker on the car, has to be up to the date. That's also one of the problems that people don't know, and examiner just walk away and don't go with you for the road test. Couple more things that I want to talk about it. Make sure you need to be there half an hour before the road test. And if you there and you are waiting for the examiner, don't get stressed. Make sure calm yourself down. If you're going with instructor car, like me, like myself, or the other instructors that you're choosing, they already know all the steps, so you don't have to be worried about the lights and brakes and all this stuff, because the instructor, when they give you the car, they are in charge of all this stuff. Let's talk about if you're planning to go with your dad car or you're planning to use your friend car. Be careful. The insurance companies, they will not cover in case of the accident. So I would recommend for sure use the instructor car, because as you know guys, we have second brake. In case something happen, examiner can take an action. One more thing that I want to tell you, if you're planning to rent the car from the rental companies, they are not covering insurance for the road test. So again, make sure that before you're planning to go for the road test, all these things I want to cover with my subscribers and viewers, so you will not get cut in the middle. Regarding the booking, right now it's very difficult, and it's getting more difficult because so many people trying to book the road test. I tried to help one of my students to book the road test, and there is nothing available until December. So it takes a while. But hopefully when they're gonna reopen, it's gonna be much easier and the stuff will get much better. Regarding the places, where are you booking your road test? As long as you're ready to go for the road test, people calling me and asking me, Alex, where is the easiest place? I always say one thing, guys, be ready for the road test. Don't look for easiest place, because if you planning to go for the road test and you're thinking that some instructor is gonna be telling you, you know what, I'm gonna take you far away from the city and it's gonna be easier. Yes, it's gonna be easier, but what happen if you gonna be not comfortable and you blew it there, right? So get ready first. Then as long as you feel that you're ready to go for the road test, then go for it. Because if you're gonna fail the test, I have experienced people fail 1, 2, 3 times, then they give up. So try to get ready. Driving is not a joke, guys. I want you to make sure that, especially for my viewers and my subscribers, guys, I don't take my student for the road test if I feel that he is not ready. The reason for that, I don't want you to just, some people Alex, I want to try. there is no trying, right? It's a life saving. Sometimes you think that it's just driving, but it's not. So make sure, guys, pay attention, get ready for the road test. Don't just go for it and try it. Now, one of my subscriber, please text me, email me. If you failed the test couple times, 3, 4 times, and you struggling and you planning to give up, don't. Give me a call. Let's talk about it. Leave me a comment. I will try my best to help you and make sure that you guys safe when you're going for the road test. So let's talk about this summary. Now, they are opening. It's a good sign, but we still, as instructors, they still don't allow us to teach. So we are waiting for the opportunity when they're gonna let us to go back and teach you guys. If you're going by yourself and you're planning to go for the road test, remember, guys, all what I talk about it's there. Watch my videos. There is parallel parking, 3-point turn. Everything is explained. Also, there is videos about a road test himself, how to do properly. So again, if you need anything, you can comment, you can ask me. I will definitely reply. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next video.